Hi, this is RockinRobin, and in today's video, I am going thrifting. I found some good items, and then I found where there was a bunch of good items, a bunch of t-shirts, graphic t-shirts that were definitely original. Now, first we went to the store, and I had looked through a lot. This is a Goodwill, and I was looking for, I don't know, something different. What I have found is that when I see a name that I don't know or that I hardly ever see, I look it up. And I've been finding some of them do sell for a lot. Now, I saw this one, and I had never seen this. It says RockinRobin. Have you ever heard of that brand? Well, I never did. So I looked it up, and I saw that they were selling for a pretty good price there. Most of them were selling anywhere from $40 to $50, $60. So I picked this up for $5.99. And then I found this brand, which I also never heard of. I believe it says Jane Barnes, and these were selling anywhere from $25 to $35. So I decided I wanted that one. Well, kept looking around, said, okay, let's not look at clothes. Let's look at something else. Went to this section, didn't see much. And then I saw this book. You know me, I love Disney. So I picked this up because it said Disney Imagineering. But yes, I looked it up, and it was selling for anywhere from $30 to $40. And it was only like $2.99. So I said, yeah, I gotta grab this. Might keep it from a personal collection, but I don't think so. Then I saw this. Actually, my partner in crime, she saw this, and I didn't know exactly what it was, but she knew it was a cosplay for Assassin's Creed. Now, it's not complete, but it was only $1.99, and I'm going to see what can do with that. She also found these wooden puzzles. Now, I don't know much about wooden puzzles, but each pack was $4.99, and they had 2, 3, 4 different puzzles in them. So I decided to give them a try. I looked them up. Some were selling in lots. So I grabbed all of them, see what I got in there, how many I have in each pack, and I think I can sell those and make a profit. We also found another book, Wicked, but this one is we are going to keep because we've seen the movie, but neither one of us has ever read the book. So we wanted to check it out, and so that's for ours. It was only $1.99. They're not selling for much, so it's not worth it. Then I kept looking into clothes, and I saw this. This I had never seen. Has Been Hotel. I liked the graphics on it, and I know it's blurry right here. I'll show you a little bit better after. Look at some of these graphics, and I looked them up, and I was surprised that they were selling for quite a bit. Some of them were selling for $50 and $60. Now, I saw 4 of them, and I snatched them all up quick because they all were selling, and they were all selling for a decent profit, and some really, really high. I don't know if you could see them all here, but they were all size medium, and I am definitely going to put those up. And I was excited to find these shirts. You know, they all say different things. Now, Has Been Hotel is a TV show from YouTube that was on. Kind of a demon type of show. Kind of cool. But it has a cult following, and it's kind of cool show. I actually had to go and watch it last night because I had never seen it. I watched the pilot. It was kind of interesting. So I grabbed these. You know, you're looking for something unusual. If you're looking for t-shirts, you're looking for great graphics. These had the great graphics. And even with the dress shirts, I looked for something unusual, some name I never heard. The typical names that are worth a lot of dealers will grab up right away. So if you can't find them, just look up unusual things. And I looked up a lot on this day. These right here are called Fresh Laundry. Never heard of them. Some do sell good, some do not. I got 3 of these. This hoodie does seem to sell well. Hoodies are selling good. But other than that, the t-shirts, I don't know if they'll sell, but I loved the graphics, so I had to pick those up. Also looked at a few things. This was like a Barbie, and I thought, well, maybe. But when I looked it up, no, I don't think it's going to sell for much. And I looked at this one, Senior Frogs, because it was unique and different. But I didn't feel the profit was good enough there, so I didn't take that. I didn't know this brand. I looked it up. I didn't feel it was worth it. Some selling good, some not. And, you know, I just continued to look up things. Of course, I knew Under Armour, but a lot of things I didn't know. Well, this is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up. We have a lot of videos on eBay.